Jai Hind students. Today I am coming here with the new question. Describe an experiment to show that there are two kinds of charges, positive and negative. To find the answer of this question, long years ago, Benjamin Franklin, the famous scientist, had conducted many experiments on the charge and to conclude that there are two kinds of charges. First one is positive and negative. Today we will discuss some similar experiments by which to know that whether charge is positive or negative. So let's start experiment number 1. In this experiment, if a glass rod rubbed with a silk and suspended silk thread and another glass rod after rubbing brought near to the first rod, we find that first glass rod or suspended rod moves away from second rod. So we can say that same charges repel each other. Now in experiment number 2, if ebonite rod is rubbed with cat skin or fur, it will get electrically charged, and another ebonite rod after rubbing brought near to the first suspended rod, we find that ebonite rod or suspended rod will move away from second rod. So from both experiment we find that same charges because there are same rods, so same charges repel each other. Now so far we have used both rods separately. Now in experiment number 3 we will use both rods together. In experiment number 3, if ebonite rod is rubbed with fur, this is ebonite rod rubbed with fur and suspended, and another glass rod is rubbed with silk and suspended, it will brought near to first suspended ebonite rod. We find that ebonite rod will get attracted toward the glass rod. So we can conclude that unlike charges, because these rods are not same, both rods are different. One is ebonite rod and another one is glass rod. So both different charges attract each other. So from all three experiments, we can conclude that now the time of conclusion. First conclusion is like charges repel each other, or plus plus charge, positive charge repel each other, or negative charge repel each other. And second conclusion is unlike charges attract each other. From experiment number 3 we saw that plus यानी पॉजिटिव चार्ज और नेगेटिव चार्ज बोथ attract each other. Okay, now next, electric force. Also we can say that the conclusion is charge properties. This is all property of charge. Electric force. What is electric force? The repulsive or attractive interaction between any two charged bodies is called electric force. For example, if there is two electron and the distance between them 1 centimeter, both electrons distance between 1 centimeter and force 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 24 Newton. 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 24 Newton. If an electron is found to repel another electron at 1 centimeter with a force 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 24 Newton, this extra force is called electric force. So this is all about today's class. If you like this video, then you can subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you all.